Ralph. I'm the founder of Stempad, and I'm really excited to show you guys what my team have been working really hard on for the last year. It's called Stempad, and it's AI-powered Google Docs for educators. And so the magic of Stempad really starts with the editor, the notepad. And the notepad has a lot of different functionality that you would find normally in more advanced softwares. You can write math really easily. You can graph things really easily. And you can include plots and figures. And everything is made to be really intuitive and really kind of what you write is what you think will happen, right? So what you think will happen is kind of what shows up on the screen. So right now I'm like writing some code. I did /code to add the code block. And you can actually run code inside of the editor, right? You can draw organic molecules inside of the editor. You could draw circuits. So all of these different like STEM blocks that you would use to teach your students or to kind of make worksheets, make exams, make your curriculum is all made super, super easy with Stempad. A lot easier than other tools that you might have used in the past, such as Mathematica or LaTeX, all in one editor. So that's kind of where the magic starts. You can also do things like worksheets, so you can have blank space, you can add blank lines, you can add drawings, like here, we're adding a Venn diagram for the students as part of this worksheet. And the goal is to make it, again, as easy as possible to do these things. And so that's kind of like the base of the functionality of Stempad or the magic of Stempad. But beyond that, we also have recently released a Copilot. So as you're typing, and it will generate completions. So you could be typing your worksheets, creating your curriculum, your exams. Copilot is there to assist you all along the way, generating completions as you write, right? Next is, and this is on the student perspective, Copilot enhances students' learning while you're not there to help them, right? So here we see a student is solving a math problem and they make a mistake. Copilot will immediately, as they're typing, notice their mistake and give them a suggestion as to how to go on the right path. Copilot helps you as well as an educator at every step. So let's say you're grading an assignment or adding a comment to an assignment. It will make suggestions to you as to how to enhance your suggestions to the students and where the students might have made mistakes, where you might have missed those mistakes. We also have a chat experience. And so everything that you write into Stempad is actually stored as a memory for AI agents and copilots to help you out. So let's say, from the perspective of a student, you can say something like, I missed Tuesday's lesson. Can you create notes for that day in my own style? And so the AI agent will actually look through the student's notes and create the notes missing on Tuesday using the teacher's curriculum in the student's own style. And so that's something that's never been done before, and that can be done now with Stempad Workspaces. As a teacher, this is another perspective. You could say something like, the students have submitted this week's quiz, but I don't have time to review them this weekend. Can you look over them and tell me the major weak points I should focus on for next week's lessons? And what the AI can do is it can look through all the submissions of the students, and it can actually, for you, figure out, okay, where are the big weak spots? Where should you be focusing your teaching on? And how can you help your students best, depending on this cohort that you have? And that's Stempad Workspaces. And again, the real magic is everything that you write, everything that your students write is all indexed by AI, accessible by AI, and you have a Copilot there to assist you at every step of the way, whether that's grading, whether that's correcting assignments, whether that's giving suggestions, making your curriculum, whatever it is there for you. And that's Stempad Workspaces. We're actually accepting 7 more classrooms for the next year, starting in September. If you or anyone you know might be interested in trying out Stempad Workspaces, please reach out to me. I'll be at the booth at the far left corner. And I'll be happy to chat with you. So yeah, thank you so much.